As a filmmaker, as somebody who kind of keep looking all your life for, one mascot. And here he was. It was like he has given me hope, faith, and kind of the vigor to work with. We continue to look at each other, we continue to grow with each other. And today, we'll be talking about all these films. But both of us, we have decided to, do multiple productions, come together. He is presenting my Ganga Jal 2 because Ganga Jal 2 cannot be complete without Ajay.
I think, how many years we've been together now? Nearly 16 years. I remember when I was injured at home and I'd broken my hand, and he came to give me a narration of a film called Dil Kya Kare. And I really liked that film, that script, and I told him one condition, I'm going to produce it. And he said, okay. And that's where we started from. And we did some fabulous work together, thanks to him, that, films like Ganga Jal and Aparan and Rajniti and Satyagraha and all, everybody appreciated my performance, the film, and there's always been a message hidden somewhere in his films, which I think it is very important for me also to do such films, because on one side you're doing films which are completely commercial, and one side there is something which is commercial but which also says something and means something to the society. So that's where we are today, and we met, and I think the most important thing in films is today that we have great scripts, and that's what he also has, that's what I've been also working at, so we decided to get together to make good cinema. That's what we're doing. And when he narrated me Ganga Jal 2, I thought it was really fabulous, and I said, let's do it together, because obviously I don't cast in this film because the role is not for me. But
now you are a Singham.
That's besides the point. But should I tell them why also it does not suit me? Well, because this time he's making Ganga Jal, and I think the script demands somebody should be a heroine.
This is a female protagonist. The male protagonist is a female.
Female cop. So which is what I like the most, that we are making a film here, and we are pushing what we really need to push as the women of our country and the world, and here a script where we show a powerful woman. Obviously in Prakash Jha films, she's not going to fly and kick people, but her fight is against the system and standing alone. So which is a very bold script, and that's why I wanted to be a part of this, and we decided to do it together. Yeah, apart from what we'll do together as me acting, there'll be satsang, there'll be somewhere.
When I finish Ganga Jal, we have decided to do satsang, which is where Ajay Devgan plays the main lead there. And then Rajniti too, of course. But this is my story. This is our story. The most exciting story today is that while I was doing these socially committed, meaningful cinema, and everybody is looking at me, what about the entertainment? So the entertainment was, young entertainment was coming to me all the time, and I decided that let me look at the scripts. So about a year and a half ago, I started looking at the scripts. And Ritesh Menon comes with a fabulous script. The very first time I read it, I said, let's do this. And this is Ritesh. Come. He's made the film Crazy Kukkad Family. And the whole Crazy Kukkad family is sitting here. Will you call your Crazy Kukkad family here? And introduce everybody.
So the title says family, so it's a huge family. Okay, so these are the youngest actors in the film who play very pivotal roles. Of course, Shilpa Shukla is in a very poignant role in the film. Kushal Punjabi is also playing a very important role. Swanand Kirkire is in his new avatar. Of course, we all know him as a very famous lyricist and singer. And now, I think coming next year, you will see a different avatar of Swanand Kirkire. Kanika Kalra, please, also in a pivotal role. Siddharth Sharma, Bhupesh, Mr. Ninad Kamath, we all know him, his face, his voice. Manish Devani, and we have Suhas Shetty, who has written the film. This was his idea. We have co-written together along with Kushal, me, Suhas, and Suhas has also done the music for the film, Siddharth and Suhas. And we have our great singers here, Shahid and Shipra, and Kumar, of course, on lyrics. Please come on stage. Khushbu, please come. She has done our costume, and Aditya, who has done our background. So this is background score. This is a huge Crazy Kukkad family, and we have tried to make a film as crazy as possible. So where Prakash ji would come and say, yes, now I think I've lost my mind after watching your film, so it must be good, you know. So we really ask for your love and support for this film, and we hope you all really enjoy it. And you know, this entire family has worked really hard. So thank you all for bearing with us, and please bear with the film also once it's out. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you. This family is amazing.
Campaign. Now, ladies and gentlemen, being mantastic is today the epitome of manliness. And to inspire all the Indian men across the country, we're going to present to you on board our Mantastic Men of Old Spice.